So our next fourth matter is metallic coating. In this metallic coating, we coated the metals which corroded easily with the metals which are less corroded. For example, the less corroded metals are zinc, tin, and chromium. And if we paint these and we coat these metals on more corroded and easily corroded metals, so this can be helpful to reduce the coating to reduce the corrosion and the process of corrosion. And for this purpose we use tin, zinc, and chromium. And that example is that in it is most widely applied technique in food industry, where food is tin packed. The containers of iron are covered with tin to give it a longer life. Metallic coating can take place by physical as well as electrolytic methods. Or physical methods for metallic coating is that zinc coating or galvanizing, or it is the long question of exercise, long question 8. The process of coating a thin layer of zinc on iron is called galvanizing. The process is carried out by tipping up. First of all, in this process, we have to take a metal surface or iron sheet, and we will dip it into zinc chloride solution and we will heat it. After that, we will remove and roll this sheet into molten zinc metal bath. And after dipping in the after rolling into molten zinc metal bath, and finally we will cool. Advantage of galvanizing is that zinc protects the iron against corrosion even after the coating surface is broken. And the next is tin coating. It involves the dipping of the clean sheet of iron in tin in in a bath of molten tin and then passing it through hot rollers. Such sheets are used in the beverage and food cans. And the tin, it protects the iron only as long as its protective layer remain in contact. Zinc coating is more expensive and more useful. The reason is that if the protective layer and if the protective layer over the sheet, iron sheet, zinc sheet, metal is get eroded and get damaged, then it after that it also continue to prevent the metal from rusting and iron from the rusting. But in tin coating, once the protective layer and coated layer damaged by anything, it will start the process of galvanizing, and galvanic cell is established and oxidation and reduction start to take place, and that's why it rusts easily. And the process for rusting is start rapidly. So next is the advantage of the zinc coating over the tin coating. And next it is test yourself 7.6, you can see. And in this and test yourself 7.6, it is the answer of test yourself 7.6. And they can be, you can also see on the screen what is the difference between corrosion and rusting. And we will discuss 7.6 in our lecture, today's lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz, and see you in our Google class at 2:30 p.m. Have a nice day.